Alright, this is the break for the 2011 Gypsy Queen. But before this started breaking the box, I want to tell you about the auto. If it's a triple auto, then it goes to the person that had the most spots, but you have to have the team. And if it's dual, it's the same thing. So, here's how the teams break down, so that you guys know. And I got 19 spots. You can read over that if you like, because it's pretty bold for you. But if you read the ad, you knew how it went. And there you go. I'm going back down again. I'm going to open up the box. I'm going to open up 8 packs per video. So there'll be 3 videos. There'll be 3 videos. And a recap. There we go. I think there's a mini pack in here too. So that's probably going to be last. Alright. Here's the mini. I'm going to wait till last to open it. Alright. Here's 2, 4, 6, 8. And there's still 16 in the box. And here we go. Good luck. Remember to leave feedback for me. I can get them open on you. Alright, we got Cano for the Yankees. Possibly for the Giants. Jeter for the Yankees. Jeffries for the Royals. Martinez for the Orioles. Roman for the Giants. Bard for the Red Sox. Sandoval for the Giants. And we got a mini card. Look like a black back of Soriano for the Cubs. And blank card. And a green card. Says Home Run Heroes. For the Tigers, Cabrera. Pack number 2. Latos for the Padres. Twisky for the Rockies. Stewart for the Rockies. Ness for the Mets. Young for the Rangers. Williams for the Yankees. Johnson for the Diamondbacks. Reynolds for the Orioles. Pierre Mini for the White Sox. Blank card. Soriano for the Cubs. Alright. Murphy for the Braves. Look at that deal, Murphy. You killed for the Red Sox. Walter Johnson for the Senators. This goes to the Washington Nationals. Hudson for the Padres. Thornley for the Twins. Lardo for the Brewers. Roy Campanella for the Dodgers. Woo! Now here's a number card. Andrea Gonzalez. This might be a hit. 342 of 999. And it looks like bronze or something. There you go. And here's the back. I'm going to do a recap though too. So, a mini Spawn for the Twins. Blank card. Homer, future star Beckham for the White Sox. Crawford for the Red Sox. Babe Ruth for the Yankees. Nacio for the Marlins. Myers for the Astros. Barlett for the Padres. Gypsy for the Cubs. Lowe for the Braves. Morrison for the Marlins. Ricardo for the Brewers, mini. And here's a, like that or something. Fortis Wagner for the, Gypsy Queen, the great one. For the Pirates.
Oh, I had to get back. Oh, Lord Jesus.
And 3 or 4 checklists. What's that? Alright. 4th pack. Mill Alt for the Giants. Holiday for the Phillies. Carter for the Red Sox. Beachy for the Braves. Carr for the Dodgers. Lee for the Orioles. Abel for the Orioles. Clinton for the White Sox. Minnie Hill for the Blue Jays. And home run hero Andre Dawson for the Cubs. 3 more packs and I'm going to stop and start my video. Nicholson for the Giants. Johnson for the Marlins. Frank Robinson for the Reds. Pagan for the Mets. Davis for the Rays. McGee for the Rays. Ludwig for the Padres. Burrell for the Giants. Rookie card mini. Smith for the Diamondbacks. And Alonso for the Reds. 2 more packs and I'm starting the next video. Cruz for the Rangers. Kane for the Royals. Cabell for the Twins. Fisher for the Tigers. Dole for the Mets. Graterson for the Yankees. Cahill for the Athletics. Here's another number card. 334 of 999 of Albert Pujols for the Cardinals. And Minnie Lee for the Orioles. Blank card. Future Stars Davis for the Mets. Last pack for this video. Okay. Here we go. Shoot, stuff. Mickey Mantle for the Yankees. Stan Musial for the Cardinals. Roger Hornsby for the Cubs. Burrell for the White Sox. Shields for the Rays. Jennings for the Rays. Hill for the Blue Jays. Chamberlain for the Yankees. A blank card. The great ones. Bob Gibson for the Cardinals. And a 1 to 4 checklist. And he got 2 minis. a rookie, Henderson for the Rays, and a Dunn for the White Sox. And that's it. And I'll be right back for the second video.